crazy figure! You bet!
Whoa, wait a minute, fellas. Take a look at those birds.
I'll see you guys out there.
Hey, guys. Fellas. Guys, I've got a surprise for you. Hey, look who's here. You.
Where's Bob?
He's out surfing. Yeah, looks like he's riding this one all the way in.
Bob, guys, I'd like you to meet Princess Yakamoshi. She's staying with my family for the summer.
I also here to have fun.
I hope this gorgeous new girl doesn't disturb our great relationship, Arlene. Bird. Well, let's not worry about that now.
That's just fine with me.
This calls for a celebration. You're all invited to my place tonight for a big luau.
Luau? What a great idea!
Oh, Bob, you're the best guy a girl could ever want. The best ever. This is going to be the best luau. Oh, Bob, you're the best guy a girl could ever want. Ever. This is going to be... Oh!
May I escort you to the luau tonight?
Yes, you may, Mr. Bob, sir.
You can call me Liverhead. Call me Bob.
What was that for?
You make me want to vomit! I'd rather French kiss a leper than ever lay eyes on you again. You take your scumbag and you go to the luau. I'm going with IQ.
Luau!
Isn't the moon lovely tonight?
Ah, it reminds me of home, when we used to relax by the beautiful lake.
Relax by the rake? Wait, I got one right here. There, are you relaxed? Demonic.
Whoa. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, man. Wow.
Hey, pretty good party we're having, huh?
Oh, man, you know, it's like water and snot seek the same level, you know?
Oh, come on, man. It's not that bad. Come on, cheer up. You're the life of the party.
I am not cut out for being the life of the party anymore,
Come on,
man.
what's the matter?
It's a big brain fry, man, is what it is. The whole thing.
Come on.
It's the Katzenjammer kids gone to the moon, man.
It's not that bad, Kahuna. You're the... This is a great party, Kahuna.
I don't want to be known as Kahuna anymore. I want to be known by my right name, Vladimir Moonface Jr. Vladimir Moonface Jr.
Oh, I'm very hungry.
Oh, you are? Wait, I'm gonna get you something. Wait there. Here, I got a hot dog for you.
Oh, it's very wrong.
Hey, I'm gonna get you a good one.
Oh, no, it's just very wrong.
It's wrong, right. I'm gonna fix it. Right.
It's like what I was telling you, man. Listen, it started a long time before any of us realized. Before anybody realized. It's still great. No, it's still great. Listen, it's not the same. Whoa.
I am the most powerful force in the universe, and you are here to do my bidding. You know, it's a funny thing that you are nothing more than a zombie here to do my bidding. I am putting you under my super secret hypnosis with this haunting melody. Hey, put me down. You are under my hypnosis. Command to do this. Whoa. Hey, you're a zombie. What are you doing? Hey, whoa. What in the universe is this, I wonder? Excuse me, but I am the most powerful force in the universe.
Hey, I love it. It's great. I love it.
Hey, you! Hey, you!
Isn't this the most romantic spot you've ever been in?
Ah, yes. It reminds me of Rubber's Rain.
Rubber's Rain? Rubber's Rain. Rubber's Rain. Lover's Lane. I get it. Lover's Lane. I've been misunderstanding you all along. Lover's Lane.
No. Rubber's Rain.
Let's get back to the party.
Perhaps they don't know who I am. Excuse me, but I am the most powerful force.
Oh, well, what are you doing with the rest of your life? I know what I'd like to be doing with my... Whoa! Arlene! We were just a little chat. We weren't doing much. Woo!
You're telling me that you'll be true. Life! That's all I ever get from you. Tears! I shed a million tears for you. And now you're loving somebody new. Someday I'm gonna be happy. I don't know when, just now. Light, light, breaking my heart. You think that you're such a smart boy, and I believe what you say. Who do you think you are, boy, to lead me on this way? Believe a word you say. Light, light. I'm gonna make you sad someday. Someday you're gonna be lonely, and you won't find me around. Light, light, breaking my heart.
Bob, as the supreme being, I challenge you to a surfing contest. If I win, I receive your body.
What happens if I lose?
If I lose, I receive his.
Sounds fair enough.
I hope it is clear to you.
Oh, wow, man. Bob doesn't stand a chance out there today, you know it? You know, we are melted Eskimo pies left outside the refrigerator of time, man.
The kahuna left the beach that day, never to be seen by his good friends again.
What a wiping out! Oh, what a hollow tube! Oh, he's wiping out. Oh, my crab assistant Steve. You must listen to my commands carefully. Go kill Bob until he's defenseless, and then bring him to me so I can kill him.
Hey, would you keep it down? We're trying to conduct a business meeting.
Net realizable income for the past year has been down in all sectors of the country. Our analysis shows that the factor... Guess what you're gonna do? Lose.
Hey, why you gotta face the smooth?
I beg your pardon, but me losing the contest means nothing. Being a supreme being, I can say anything I want to. Fools! Idiots! I hate you all. I can't stand you. You're such stupid idiots, I don't know even what I'm going to do. Let me introduce you to my crab assistant, whose mind I now control. At this very moment, I am sending telepathic waves into his crustacean mind. He will kill each and every one of you until I receive the body I so richly deserve. Huh? I am
Where's the kahuna?
Bob was understandably concerned about the disappearance of his good friend Kahuna. He, not unlike the other kids, hadn't seen him in quite some time. But in other parts of the country, there had been several Kahuna sightings.
Oh, just a minute. Would you wait just a minute? You know, last night, I was laying there in bed and I heard this funny noise. And, well, I just decided better get up and look and see what it was. And I looked out there, and sure enough, there he was. Had a straw hat on, and I had been leaving some cat food out just in case he might come around. And it was really the great kahuna. I know it was, and I really don't care what anybody says. He's really real. He really is. He's really real.
Hey guys, have you seen Kahuna?
Hey, those surfers look like those kids are having a lot of fun.
We'll let them have their fun. For now...
Everyone was having a wonderful time, but they all had wished their good friend Kahuna was with them, so they could be having a better time than they were actually having. But he hadn't been seen for quite a while. However, in other regions of the country, Kahuna sightings were reaching epidemic proportions in other parts of the country.
The kahuna is real. Why doesn't anybody believe me? My God, I mean, don't they know he's here?
Hello? Who is this? Whoa!
You kids can't have a party here. We're building an office building on this spot.
You can't put a building here.
Oh, yes, we can. We got a permit.
Yes? Do you have an appointment?
What are you talking about? He's right there.
I'm sorry. He's not here. But I can take a message.
Give him this message for me.
I have a message for you.
What is it?
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
Gross national product is down 5% for...
It was apparent by this time that Bob and Arlene disliked each other. Because of Princess Yakimoshi, they had drifted apart, a situation that happens to us all at one time or another. At this moment, they had forgotten their quarrel with the businessmen. They had even forgotten the disappearance of their good friend Kahuna. But there was one man who would never forget. Locked away in an asylum, his tortured soul raves of the Kahuna.
I send the Kahuna. I send it over there. I send the flying saucer. I send the Kahuna. I send the saucer. I send the Kahuna. I send right there. I send right there. I send the Kahuna. I send...
Hey, Q, come on. A sandwich.
Morty, get in here. Now, Morty, I made this pie special, so don't mess it up. And whatever you do, don't wander through a group of fighting people and start daydreaming about taking a train to New Hampshire and then off into the cosmos, because you might bump into a businessman who might hit you with a big fish and send you careening into the innocent bystander with my pie. Now hurry and be careful, will you?
Morty, true to form, had a little trouble with the pie. One angry businessman picked up a young surfer by the neck. The pie had landed squarely in his face, and the heavy cream content blocked his breathing passages. Able to breathe no longer, he collapsed, unable to continue the fight.
Hey, Q, a cake.
What, God?
The Kahuna is here. My God, what are we going to do?
Come on, guys. Come on in. Come on in, kids. Come on. Look at that. The volcano's erupting. Come on in, kids.
I'm sorry. Come on, let's go.
Considering the alternatives, Rosalie's proposition seemed like a pretty good idea. A situation that happens to us all at one time or another.
Thank you. Come on in. Come on over and we can look at television a little bit and have something to eat. Come on. How have you been? I'm going to turn on some television for you. Okay? Listen, how about a banana? Would you like some banana?
reluctantly forced.
Great. Listen, I'm gonna go
That we will have
into
to
the
take over
kitchen
your building.
to make some food. If you want me, just call me, okay? I'll see you.
Are you all right? No, just a minute. You got a hold of me? Yeah, I got you. Hang on. I got it.
I just can't go on this way, Marcia. So I'm gonna go that way for a while and see what happens.
No, don't. Things will change.
I know, for me they will. I'm leaving.
Don't leave. Oh, no. What am I going to do? He's gone. He'll never come back. I need a drink.
Don't worry, baby. He'll come back.
No, he won't.
Yes, he will. They always do. He will come back. But I wish he wouldn't. Farewell.
Don't leave. Come back.
Kahuna! Kahuna! I'm not the Kahuna! I'm Vladimir Moonface Jr.!
I sent the Kahuna. Hey, I sent him. I sent him. I sent him. I sent him.